Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty not launching on Steam. Let's get into it. First, restart your Steam app. Sometimes the app just needs a quick refresh. Click on the word Steam at the very top of your screen and select Exit. Then, open the app again from your desktop. Make sure the app fully closes before you try to click the icon again. This can clear out small errors that stop your game from opening. Next, verify your game files. You need to check if any part of the game is missing or broken. Steam has a built-in tool that can fix them for you automatically. Right-click on Call of Duty in your library. For example, I'm going to use this game. Pick Properties, then click on Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the bar to reach 100%. If a small piece of the game was lost during a download, the game won't start. This tool finds the missing piece and puts it back so your game can begin. Next, update your graphics drivers. Now you want to make sure your computer runs the game correctly. Go to the website for your graphics card or use the app on your computer to check for any new updates. Download and install any new updates you see on the site. If these drivers are old, the game might refuse to open your game. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.